Hello there! Today, we'll walk you through the steps to save a video clip from the Lorex app through the Events tab. Please note to receive events on your mobile device, make sure to enable alert notifications, alerts, and event thumbnails. Also, ensure that event-based recording motion detection or AI detection is set up for the selected camera. For more information, refer to the user manual. Let's get started! First, navigate to your device from the app and locate the event that you wish to download, either from View Events or Timeline tab. For this video, we will choose the View Events tab. The View Events tab provides a list of all event-based recordings captured by your camera. These recordings are triggered by motion events and notifications sent by your camera. Let's tap on the Events tab. Now, in the Events tab, you'll find a chronological list of all motion-detected recordings. Tap any event to watch it. Unviewed events are marked with a red dot for easy identification. You can narrow down the event list by date and time or event type. For date, tap on the calendar icon and select the month, year, and day. Remember that days with recordings are marked with a red dot. For time or event type, choose a time of day, morning, afternoon, or detection type such as motion or person. Tap OK to apply the filters or reset to start over. Now, select the event you want to save. Tap on the record button to begin taking a recording of the event. Tap again to stop the recording. Now, let's go back to the main menu and tap on Settings. Navigate to Snapshots and Recordings. Under Recordings, select your recording. Tap the Save icon to save it to your phone, or tap the Share icon to send it via email, WhatsApp, AirDrop, or any other method. Transfer the recording to your computer using cloud storage, upload to a service like Google Drive or Dropbox, then download it. USB. Connect your phone via USB, locate the file and copy it. AirDrop, Mac only. Wirelessly transfer from iPhone to Mac. And that's it! Your video has been saved and it is ready to be shared on social media. Thanks for watching. If you need any further assistance, visit lorex.com/support.